So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fade pictures in Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Picsart app. On there, just set up your account and open the project you're working on. So on here, you can see at the bottom tools, effects, text, retouch, sticker, cutout, remove, add photo, and some other features as well. Now in order to fade pictures, you will need to go and use the effect set up at the bottom. So click on the effects. And on the effects page, you can see simple, FX, B&W, blur, film, summer, AI, and some other options as well. And in order to fade, you will need to go to this FX option and you will need to select an effect that allows for a fade adjustment. So like cross process, vignette, or HDR. So we're just going to find some of the options on there. And you can see here it gives me tap to brush off the effect, and you can even set it up a bit like sizing, and you can see the option of fade. So if you click on the fade and increase it, you can see it's no longer even an effect that much. If you reduce it, it's going to become darker on the sides, and you can see the fade adjustment through there is complete. So that's how you can adjust your fade in Picsart. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.